How to save the solutions in PhotoMath app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. Once you've downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. You don't need to sign up or log into any account in order to access this. When you launch the app, it will directly open up the camera. From here, you can scan the problems that you want to solve. For example, I'll scan this mathematics problem over here. I'll simply capture this. It has instantly come up with the solutions. It will show you the step-by-step process. If you want to save the solutions in the PhotoMath app, the PhotoMath app itself does not have the feature to save solutions directly. However, you can access solutions to problems, and the app does allow you to share solving steps to other platforms like your phone's notes or messages. If that is not even available, in some cases it is only available in the Plus section, which means the premium version of this. If you have subscribed to the PhotoMath Premium, you can access that feature, or else, in order to save the solutions, what you can do is, here you can see Show Solving Steps option. Here you will see all the solution steps, and you can simply take a screenshot in order to save the visual information. So that's how we can easily save solutions in PhotoMath app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.